How good was it was? Kana kuti zvakanga zviri nyore sei kuti vanhu tirarame seshiri. Tinoona shiri yedenga dzinobhururuka dzichiuya zvadzo pasi. Saka hatizivi kuti kurarama seshiri kwanga kwakaipa zvakasvika papi. So let's see how birds they are feeds on. This is an African birds. They are feeding right now, as you see, at a daylight mode. They're picking out. There's another one here. This one is picking out there. So the birds, they just feed on small things. As you see, they are picking small things there. Either they are taking soil, the small weeds, weed seeds, the seeds of the weeds. As you see, the weeds they make. You see, another one is coming there. Now it's a 3 on the same position. So it's really simple to live like a bird.